So I hope you can see there's a massive addictive value to it. The game played in its essence, in the way it's meant to be played, is great. It's a great game. I've just shown you for an hour, or nearly an hour this video will be by the time it's finished, and I haven't shown you any gameplay. I haven't shown you playing the game itself. I've showed you the back end of, or the front end, the game itself, maybe the back end, of how to increase your team, how to get a better team. If you play it and your team is generally 70 gold, 70 cards, and you're playing against a team that are 80 or above, you will get beat no matter what level you are on. So if your kids are trying to play you, don't let them con you. If they don't give you a half decent team, you've got no chance. So in its essence, FIFA's great, but just like Fortnite, people spending a fortnite. I mean, the thing about FIFA is if they spend money on FIFA, at least their team gets better, right? At least their team gets better because they've got better players in their team. If on Fortnite, when they were spending money on that stupid free game, there was no benefit for any of the upgrades of anything. They just got a new bleeding clothing or they got a new dance. That was a joke. This at least is giving you a better team. So they will spend a lot of time. They may spend a lot of your money, and I'm just going to add on to the end how to make sure that your credit card details are not on your FIFA account or not on your PlayStation account and things like that. But conclusion-wise, it's a great game. It's very addictive. They're going to play it for hours. They're going to try and upgrade and do things. Kids will play for hours and get the coins the regular way, but eventually, temptation of opening packs, the thrill of the dopamine of opening packs, and the possibility of hitting the jackpot is eventually don't leave your credit cards lying around, because that temptation of going there and the easiest way is buying FIFA points is going to be a lot to ask, isn't it? So I hope this helps. I hope that it was value. Stick around a little bit. I'm just going to add on to the end. Make sure your credit card details are not on your account.